Top 10 Affordable Bushcraft and Survival Knives for Beginners, 2026 Guide. If you're planning to step into the world of bushcraft, camping, or survival in 2026, then choosing the right knife is one of the most important decisions you can make. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 10 affordable bushcraft and survival knives for beginners in 2026. These knives are carefully selected based on durability, performance, price, and how beginner-friendly they are in real outdoor situations. Whether you're preparing for camping trips, learning survival skills, or just building your outdoor gear collection, this list will help you find a reliable knife without wasting money on the wrong choice. Number 10. Schrade SCHF 36 Frontier Fixed Blade. The powerful entry-level survival knife designed for beginners who want something tough, reliable, and budget-friendly in 2026. This knife is known for its heavy-duty build, making it suitable for more demanding outdoor tasks compared to lightweight camping knives. If you are just starting bushcraft and want a knife that can handle pressure without breaking easily, the SCHF 36 is a strong candidate. The knife features a full-tang 1095 high-carbon steel blade, which gives it excellent strength and durability. This type of steel is very popular in survival knives because it holds a sharp edge and can withstand heavy use such as batoning wood or cutting thick branches. However, like most carbon steel blades, it requires proper care. Beginners must learn to dry it after use and apply oil occasionally to prevent rust. The handle is made of tactical TPE rubber material, designed to provide a strong and non-slip grip. This is very important in outdoor environments where hands can become wet, sweaty, or dirty. A secure grip improves safety and control, especially when performing forceful tasks like chopping or carving. In bushcraft use, the SCHF 36 performs well in firewood preparation, shelter building, heavy carving, and survival cutting tasks. It is more aggressive and powerful than lightweight beginner knives, making it suitable for users who are ready to handle a more serious tool. The knife also comes with a thick nylon sheath, which allows safe carrying during hiking or camping trips. It can be attached to belts or backpacks, making it convenient for outdoor adventures. Overall, the Schrade SCHF 36 is a strong, durable, and budget survival knife that is ideal for beginners who want to step into more serious bushcraft tasks with confidence. Number 9. Cold Steel Finn Wolf. The compact and highly reliable folding knife that is perfect for beginners who prefer portability without sacrificing performance. Unlike fixed-blade survival knives, this model is designed for everyday carry and light bushcraft tasks, making it a great option for hikers, campers, and outdoor learners in 2026. The blade is made from Japanese AUS 8A stainless steel, which is known for its balance between sharpness, corrosion resistance, and easy maintenance. For beginners, this is a very forgiving steel because it is easy to sharpen and does not rust easily, making it ideal for users who are still learning knife care. One of the key features of the Finn Wolf is its triad lock system, which provides exceptional safety for a folding knife. This locking mechanism ensures that the blade stays securely open during use, reducing the risk of accidental folding. For survival situations, this adds an extra layer of confidence and safety. The handle is made from Grivex material, which is lightweight yet strong. It provides a comfortable grip and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Its ergonomic design makes it suitable for repetitive tasks like carving or food preparation during camping trips. In bushcraft use, the Finn Wolf is best suited for light carving, rope cutting, food prep, and small camp tasks. It is not designed for heavy batoning or chopping, but it excels in precision work where control is more important than brute force. Its folding design makes it extremely portable and easy to carry in pockets or backpacks, which is why many beginners prefer it as a backup knife or everyday outdoor tool. Overall, the Cold Steel Finn Wolf is a safe, compact, and beginner-friendly folding survival knife that offers excellent reliability for light outdoor use. Number 8. Morinov Kanzbul. The advanced version of Moriniv's popular outdoor knife series, offering greater versatility for bushcraft and survival beginners in 2026. It is designed for users who want a balance between lightweight design and real outdoor performance. The blade is made from stainless steel with a Scandinavian grind, which provides excellent cutting efficiency and edge stability. One of its biggest advantages is that it performs well in both fine carving and tougher cutting tasks, making it a versatile tool for beginners learning different bushcraft techniques. A unique feature of the Kanzbul is its dual-thickness blade design, where the spine is thicker near the handle for strength, but thinner toward the tip for precision cutting. This allows it to handle both heavy and delicate tasks effectively. The handle is made from textured polymer with a soft grip overlay, ensuring comfort and control even during long usage sessions. It is designed for all weather conditions, making it reliable in rain, heat, or cold environments. In practical bushcraft use, the Kanzbul is excellent for wood carving, food preparation, feather sticks, and light firebuilding tasks. It is also capable of light batoning, although it is not intended for heavy chopping like larger survival knives. One of its strongest advantages is its lightweight design, which makes it ideal for hikers and backpackers who want to reduce gear weight without losing functionality. It is easy to carry and does not feel bulky during long outdoor trips. Overall, the Morinov Kanzbul is a versatile, lightweight, and beginner-friendly bushcraft knife that bridges the gap between simple camping knives and more advanced survival tools. Number 7. Buck 119 Special. The most iconic survival knives and remains a strong choice for beginners in 2026 due to its classic design, durability, and trusted performance. It has been used by hunters, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts for decades, which shows its long-term reliability in real survival situations. The blade is made from 420HC stainless steel, which offers a good balance between sharpness, corrosion resistance, and ease of maintenance. For beginners, this steel is very practical because it does not require advanced care and can be sharpened without difficulty. This makes it a great option for users still learning knife maintenance skills. The knife features a clip-point blade design, which is excellent for precision cutting, slicing, and general outdoor tasks. It is especially useful in hunting and bushcraft situations where controlled cutting is more important than heavy chopping. The handle is made from phenolic material with a polished finish, giving it a traditional look and solid grip. It is designed to feel comfortable in hand even during extended use. The aluminum guard and pommel add extra balance and safety, preventing the hand from slipping onto the blade during tough tasks. In real-world bushcraft use, the Buck 119 performs well in food preparation, light woodwork, skinning, and general campsite tasks. It is not designed for heavy batoning, but it excels in controlled, precise cutting work. Its included leather sheath adds a premium feel and ensures safe carrying during outdoor trips. The knife's reputation and proven performance make it a trusted companion for beginners who want a reliable and time-tested tool. Overall, the Buck 119 Special is a classic, durable, and beginner-friendly survival knife that offers excellent control and reliability for outdoor use. Number 6. Ka-Bar Becker BK2 Companion. The Ka-Bar Becker BK2 Companion is a heavy-duty survival knife designed for beginners who want extreme durability and strength. This knife is built to handle tough outdoor conditions and is often considered a tank in the bushcraft knife world. It features a thick 1095 Crowvan carbon steel blade, which is known for its incredible toughness. The blade is extremely strong and can handle heavy batoning, chopping, and prying tasks without breaking. However, like all carbon steel knives, it requires regular maintenance to prevent rust. The BK2 has a full tang construction with a very thick spine, making it one of the strongest knives in its category. This design is perfect for survival situations where you may need to apply force in demanding tasks such as splitting wood or building shelters. The handle is made from Grivery material, which provides a solid and comfortable grip. Even during intense use, the handle remains stable and reduces hand fatigue. Its ergonomic shape makes it easier for beginners to control despite its heavy build. In bushcraft use, the BK2 excels in batoning, heavy wood processing, shelter building, and survival tasks that require force. It is not a delicate carving knife, but rather a rugged tool built for strength and reliability. Because of its weight and thickness, beginners may find it slightly heavy at first, but it teaches excellent control and technique over time. Overall, the Ka-Bar Becker BK2 is a super strong, durable, and survival-focused knife that is perfect for beginners who want a serious outdoor tool. Number 5. YSE 4. The ESE4 is a highly respected bushcraft and survival knife known for its perfect balance between durability and usability. It is widely used by survival experts and is also beginner-friendly due to its simple, reliable design. The blade is made from 1095 high-carbon steel, offering excellent toughness and edge retention. It is capable of handling a wide range of outdoor tasks, from carving to moderate chopping. Like other carbon steel knives, it requires proper maintenance to prevent rust. One of the strongest features of the ESE4 is its full tang construction with a comfortable thickness, making it very durable without being overly heavy. It is designed to survive harsh environments and repeated use in survival situations. The handle is made from micarta or G10 material, depending on the model, which provides a secure and comfortable grip. It performs well in wet, dry, or cold conditions, ensuring safety and control during use. In bushcraft applications, the ESE4 performs excellently in wood carving, food preparation, fire-making tasks, and general camp duties. It is also strong enough for light batoning, making it a versatile outdoor tool. Another advantage is its lifetime warranty, which reflects the manufacturer's confidence in its durability. This makes it a very trustworthy investment for beginners who want a long-term knife. Overall, the ESE4 is a balanced, reliable, and highly durable survival knife that is ideal for learning and mastering bushcraft skills. Number 4. Condor Bushlore Knife. The Condor Bushlore knife is a popular budget bushcraft knife that is specifically designed for outdoor learning and traditional survival skills. It is widely recommended for beginners because it is simple, effective, and affordable. The blade is made from 1075 high-carbon steel, which offers good strength and excellent sharpening ability. It is easy to maintain and responds well to sharpening stones, making it perfect for beginners practicing knife care skills. The Bushlore features a Scandinavian-style grind, which is ideal for wood carving and bushcraft tasks. This grind allows smooth cutting and makes it easier to control during detailed work such as feather sticks and notching. The handle is made from hardwood or micarta depending on the version, giving it a natural and traditional bushcraft feel. It is comfortable to hold and provides good grip during extended use. In real-world use, the Condor Bushlore performs well in carving, shelter building, fire preparation, and general camping tasks. It is not designed for heavy chopping, but it excels in controlled bushcraft work. Its simple design makes it very easy for beginners to learn proper knife techniques without unnecessary complexity. It also comes with a leather sheath for safe carrying. Overall, the Condor Bushlore is a traditional, affordable, and beginner-friendly bushcraft knife that is perfect for skill development. Kitchen knife number 3, Gerber Strongarm. The Gerber Strongarm is a modern survival knife designed for strength, reliability, and tactical outdoor use. It is one of the best all-round choices for beginners who want a durable and dependable knife. The blade is made from 420HC stainless steel with a ceramic coating, which provides excellent corrosion resistance and durability. This makes it low maintenance and suitable for beginners who may not yet know advanced knife care. The Strongarm features a full tang construction, making it extremely strong for survival tasks. It can handle batoning, cutting, and light prying without failure. The handle is made from rubberized diamond texture material, ensuring a firm grip even in wet or extreme conditions. This enhances safety and control during use. In bushcraft use, it performs well in wood processing, shelter building, rope cutting, and general survival tasks. It is versatile and reliable in many outdoor environments. Its modular sheath system allows multiple carry options, making it very practical for field use. Overall, the Gerber Strongarm is a tactical, durable, and beginner-friendly survival knife built for real outdoor conditions. Number 2. Falkniven F1. The Falkniven F1 is a premium survival knife originally designed for Swedish Air Force pilots, and it is now widely used by outdoor enthusiasts and survival experts. It is a top-tier choice for beginners who want professional-level quality. The blade is made from laminated VG10 stainless steel, which offers excellent edge retention, strength, and corrosion resistance. This makes it extremely reliable in harsh weather conditions. The knife has a full convex grind, which gives it superior cutting strength and durability compared to flat grinds. The handle is made from thermarun material, providing a secure and comfortable grip in all weather conditions. In bushcraft use, the F1 excels in precision cutting, food preparation, carving, and general survival tasks. It is lightweight yet extremely strong. Overall, the Falkkniven F1 is a high-end, professional-grade survival knife ideal for serious beginners. Number 1. Morinov Garberg. The Morinov Garberg is the ultimate beginner-friendly bushcraft and survival knife in 2026. It is designed for extreme durability and outdoor reliability. The blade is made from high-carbon stainless steel or carbon steel versions, offering outstanding strength and edge retention. It is capable of handling heavy bushcraft tasks, including batoning and chopping small wood. Its full tang design ensures maximum strength, making it one of the most durable Morinov models ever produced. The handle is made from polyamide with a textured grip, providing excellent control in all weather conditions. In bushcraft use, the Garberg performs exceptionally well in firewood processing, shelter building, carving, and survival situations. It is one of the most trusted all-round knives for beginners and professionals alike. Overall, the Morinov Garberg is a premium, ultra-durable, and highly reliable survival knife that completes this top 10 list. And that's our list of the top 10 affordable bushcraft and survival knives for beginners in 2026. Each of these knives offers something unique, whether it's strength, portability, ease of use, or budget-friendly performance. The best choice for you depends on your skill level and the type of outdoor adventures you're planning. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more survival gear guides and outdoor tips.